What's up guys, it's Kai. So, this is my voice. Damn sexy, right? No? Okay then. So thanks so much for 36 subs. We greatly appreciate it.
I appreciate you.
So let's move on. I'm sure you guys are wondering why 36 subs. There are so many numbers out there. Why do you choose 36? Do you wanna know why? The reason is because, to Miracle Saplings, 36 is the number of Pui. Who is Pui? Pui is our sexiest classmate who is sexy and he loves 36. In our everyday life, you will definitely see 36. Either in your games, when you're doing your homework, on the road, and so much more. If you guys wanna know when Salt and Harry is gonna do their voice reveal, Salt is gonna do at 360 subs, while Harry is gonna do at 3.6k subs. Let's reach to that. We have to make our dreams come true.
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!
And from now on, I'll be using my voice in all my walkthroughs or playthroughs. Now let's get to the 36 subs slideshow, which all of us work hard on. Grab a popcorn and enjoy.